Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to sign in to Microsoft Teams but find yourself completely blocked by error 135011 saying your device was disabled, I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot your Windows settings and get back to work right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely refresh your organization's connection to your computer. Open your main Windows Settings app, click on Accounts on the left panel, and scroll down to select Access Work or School. Find your specific work or school email address in the list, click Disconnect, and then click the Connect button right afterward to sign back in and establish a brand new security token. Next, if the error is just a local software glitch, clearing the app's background cache will force a clean start. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open a run box. Type exactly %appdata %/Microsoft/Teams and hit Enter. When the folder opens, select every single file inside and hit Delete to clear the old cache. If you are using the new Microsoft Teams app, you can simply go back to your Windows settings, select Apps, find Microsoft Teams in your installed apps list, and click Advanced Options to hit the Reset button instead. Finally, it is incredibly important to know that error 135011 often means your company or school's IT department actively disabled your physical device in their main security portal. If the previous steps did not work, you must reach out to your IT administrator and specifically ask them to re-enable your device inside of Azure Active Directory. While you wait for them to flip that switch, you can simply open Microsoft Edge or Chrome and use the web browser version of Teams to continue working without any interruptions. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.